vlog. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm using my new camera, so I'm so excited about that. And right now, actually, I'm going to be making some taco salad. So I just thought I'd take you along for the ride. It's Friday, and we're gonna do a little weekend vlog. So I'm super excited. Marina is having a good time already. And yeah, I have not a whole lot planned this weekend. Just kind of staying in again, but we will for sure have some quality content. So if you're new here, hi, my name's Marina. Nice to meet you. I hope you stick around for the vlogs. I have 2 dogs and I vlog with my boyfriend, so it's a lot of fun around here. And yeah, be sure to subscribe, and we're gonna go head on into the kitchen. Oh my god, it looks like...
How's it look? I want to see the camera. I want to see how it looks. It's like focusing on my eye. Hold on, hold on. Ah, look at how gross my hands are.
Isn't it good?
Hey, y'all. I officially can say...
She just threw up on my foot. So that's how our weekend is starting.
That's how much fun we have around the Gentet household.
Hey guys, I don't know why it's focusing on my eye bug, but I made some dinner. This is like the taco salad that I was talking about. My Nana used to make this, so she always used to put peas in it. And yeah, it's amazing. It's so good. Ground beef, peas, garlic, salt, pepper a little bit, and then you just sprinkle some cheese on it. Yes, I know, I am just gonna put a little bit of cheese. Probably gonna hurt my tummy a little bit later. And then John chopped some lettuce for us, and I'm gonna put some lettuce on there. And then I made some salsa, so get like some Tostitos. I get the party size just so I can have enough also for like chips and salsa or guac if we got some at the grocery store. I love you. We're probably gonna watch a movie, right, Bobby?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the finished result. I have salsa on it, and then my Tostitos. So cheers, guys. Hi guys. So I just thought I would show you how I'm making this little cute drink that I've been wanting to make for a little while now. I one day had just some Tito's vodka and squirt, and then I was like, there just like needs a little something. Oh, Tina, you need a potty? I had to go take a potty. Just came back in from letting Athena out, but that's okay. She needed to go potty. So this is the drink. It's so cute. Very PFG, as Emma Lejay says.
Oh my god.
And John absolutely hates when I say PFG. I mean, he doesn't hate it, he just makes fun of me, but so good. So this is what we usually do on a Friday night in quarantine. I mean, obviously we have gone out to like restaurants and stuff, but we're not like really wanting to go out all the time, unless like we feel like it, unless we feel like we have the money for it and stuff like that. So
if I was Gordon Ramsay, I'd have kicked her out of the kitchen because she was like, oh, I can flip the pan. And she went like that, like tried to do the flip with the meat, and literally like just like a handful of it was just like, I don't know.
I felt so bad.
Like,
he said,
look at me, I'm professional. See, look.
You said flip the meat, and I was like, okay, I'll try. I need to go edit my video.
The meat like yes.
Oh, hi, Muffin. Hi. You want foodies? You want foodies? Foodies. You want foodies, Tina? Tina, baby. You want foodies? Okay. Let's feed you guys. Oh, this is the look for this morning. Oh my gosh, and I have a raspy voice. Hey guys, so welcome back. Why do I have such a raspy voice? I literally sound like I smoke a pack of cigarettes. So I just made some iced coffee. I actually just got some Silk almond milk pumpkin creamer because I cannot afford to get like that pumpkin cold brew every single day, obviously, and it's way too much money, but I really wanted to have like some pumpkin-y stuff in the fridge, so John got me some Silk almond milk creamer, and it is actually really good. So this is the next day. Last night we watched like a movie, and then like I said, we watched a movie and then he was playing his video games and I was just editing, and then I haven't finished editing, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm going to edit the rest of my story time videos. So if you haven't heard about the story time of what happened last weekend, then definitely go click on that video. There's tea in there for sure. The dogs are hanging out and John's still asleep. I'm just going to edit the vlog and then I'll come back on here. Probably gonna do a workout on this bad boy. I just need to get edited in, so that is what I'm going to be doing. Hey guys, so I just made some breakfast. Well, John made some sausage for me, so I have like 2 of those and I'm just eating those. I have some avocado toast. I just mashed up an avocado with a fork, and then I put a little bit of garlic salt and then the everything but the bagel seasoning, as well as some sriracha, like little dots of sriracha. Uploading a vlog, it's taking me a long time. Usually I just upload it from Final Cut Pro, but for some reason it's not working and cooperating with me, and it's getting really frustrating. So I just, wow, it says 2 hours and 45 minutes left to upload, so this video is not going to go up for a long time. So during the time, I'm just going to eat this, kind of straighten up a little bit around the house, do some dishes, and then I'm probably going to do a little bit of a TikTok or a reel, Instagram reel. So I'm going to record that. I think a makeup look or the OOTD, which is going to be a little fun. So I'm about to start the process for the Instagram reel. So I'm going to do like the little shoe flip thing where you are sitting down cross-legged and you like throw your shoe in the air and then you transition to a different outfit. So I'm just going to move around some things. Where's Apollo? Hello, baby. Muffin. Oh, are you hiding from me? Are you okay? I love you. Say hi. Say hi. What's that? Do you see it? So I'm gonna wear this shirt. This shirt is from Express. Getting a whole lot of new things lately, so I'm trying to restyle things that I already have and that I already really like. So this shirt is from Express. You can probably find something similar on like maybe even Express or Nordstrom. Yeah, it's just like a simple polyester, right? Polyester maybe, type of shirt, and it's very stylish, kind of hangs off of the shoulder, and it's really cute and sexy. So these are from Nordstrom and they're really cute and black, strappy and leather. Very, very cute, and they pair with everything, and I want to have everything go with a pair of Rag & Bone jeans. I have these in a size 29. This is the whole outfit, so just gonna prop it. I got a new follower, yay. Going to go through all of the videos that I took. Obviously there were a lot of fails, so I'm gonna go see how exactly they looked. A friend of mine just said that there's a little something for me on my porch just now, so I'm going to open it and see what it is. It's not even my birthday. that's really sweet. Nothing, a little card. I think it's a candle. Yeah, it's a candle. Isn't that sweet? So that was super sweet. Thank you. If you are watching, I bet you maybe are. I don't know if you're actually watching, but thank you so much. That was super sweet. And yeah, I haven't seen her in a long time, so the fact that she did that for me was very, very nice. Yeah, I'm just gonna continue to edit and see if my YouTube video is now finally ready to upload. It's not ready to upload yet. So that's okay. I'm just gonna start getting ready now. I'm gonna go jump in the shower, but yeah, just pre-filmed a couple of reels and TikToks, so I'm hoping that those can go up sometime this week. So that'll be exciting. Go follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I'll link them both down below. I'm gonna go get ready for my day. Hey guys, so I'm actually done getting ready. I just jumped in the shower and put some curl in my hair. It is like third day hair, so I tried salvaging it. I think it looks okay. We have some construction on going downstairs, so that's why you can probably hear that. But anyway, we're going to be on our way to my mom's house for a little get-together for her birthday. Yeah, it should be fun. I'm probably not going to bring the vlog camera though, because my family is pretty private with their life, and I can totally respect that. Not everyone wants to be on YouTube, and you know, not everyone wants to be on the internet. So I totally respect that. Probably not going to bring the vlog camera. Honestly, there won't be much to vlog. We're just eating, chatting, catching up, stuff like that. So this is the outfit though. I thought I'd show you. Again, sorry for the construction, but I mean, it's what we have to work with right now. But yeah, I tried showing you the outfit in the mirror, and it's pretty foggy because I used surface cleaner instead of Windex. So but it's an express top, some rag and bone jeans, and I just paired it with this Gucci bag. So I have my Marc Fisher shoes on, and I haven't worn them a whole lot. I got them actually a while ago because I don't really have anywhere to wear them to, and I'm trying to break them in, so it's going to be kind of a process, which will be fine, but that's okay. They're really cute and they can pair with anything, so I love shoes that can go like that, and I will link every part of this outfit down below like always. We're gonna go have some fun with family, so I will see you guys when we come back. Hey guys, welcome back to the next day, where I am trying to still upload the same video that I was trying to upload yesterday, and it's still not uploading, and it is still giving me a lot of problems. Like, this is abandoned and that's abandoned as well. Not sure what I'm doing wrong. This happened to me last time when I was trying to upload, but now I just clearly, like, I don't know what's going on. So it's 92% uploaded, so I'm just going to like leave it alone and just pray to the YouTube gods that something works out. So right now I'm going to actually get ready for another photo shoot type of situation. I thought I'd just bring you along with me. Dress on, it's like pretty cute and it's so comfortable. It's from Free People. It's like $30 from Free People, and I got it a little while ago, so I'm just going to put that on. I don't know if they still sell them, probably jean jacket, or maybe this nude jacket. Still trying to vlog even though it's not uploading. Look at bug. I'm pairing it with these Coach shoes. I really like them. They have like sparkles on the side and they're super comfortable. I hardly even wear them, so might as well just wear them for the photo shoot today. We're gonna go in a really cute area of downtown Denver, so I just thought I'd bring you along and show you what it's like to be with us during a little photo shoot session. So that's the plan for now. Hey guys, so I'm currently uploading my video through Safari now because Chrome isn't working. I don't know if it's like a Chrome thing that I'm having a problem with, or if it's the fact that it's a Sunday and a lot of creators are uploading around this time. I'm just not knowing what to do anymore. I'm getting really, really, really like discouraged, and I keep like trying to figure it out, and all of the videos are either in like another language or they're not like really helpful. And that's what I've been doing. I was trying to distract myself, so I did my hair and makeup. Just kind of like a very soft glam, very, very natural. I used a lot of cream products. So, okay, I finally figured it out. I don't know if it's just the fact that I was trying to upload through Chrome or not, but I switched to Safari and that's how I uploaded it, and it finally worked. So the video was 100% processed and finally uploaded. So now it's just like the story time video that I posted now last week. So if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. I'll link it right here. Finally, we are going to be going out the door, which is going to be so fun because I need a much needed break. And then yeah, we'll see you at the photo shoot location. This is the photo shoot location. It's called Dairy Block if you're in Denver. Well, this is the Dairy Block. There's like a bar in there and like a
You can buy like meat and cheeses.
There's like restaurants in there and stuff like that, ice cream. But unfortunately it closed at 6 and it's 6:30, so
we didn't know that.
We didn't know that. Probably should have researched.
Well, I'm
before.
a little, that's kind of silly. 6 o'clock, that seems like, no offense, but old people hours.
Well, it's also COVID time, so I don't know if they're trying to, I don't know, that's just really weird. But anyway, so now we're leaving and we're gonna go back to the house, cook some dinner. I don't know what we're gonna cook, maybe some steak tonight. I also have we have leftovers of that rotisserie chicken. Is that good still?
Where do I go?
Left. Then I'm probably gonna make like a taco salad again, but using the rotisserie chicken that is left over. So we just got home, and I'm going to end the vlog here because we're going to start cooking dinner, and it's just not going to be a whole lot of like fun things. We're just cooking dinner, and then maybe we're going to watch like a movie later or something. So we're just going to end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this wasn't a boring video, but that's sometimes what it's going to be. It's just like kind of videos of us being at home. And I'll try to provide more content for you. I really wanted to get more content at the Dairy Block, but unfortunately it was closed, and that was just kind of a bummer. But I will probably upload a bonus video at some point this week, hopefully, so be on the lookout for that. I really appreciate if you have stuck around this long throughout the video. If you have, please subscribe. I would really appreciate it, and like this video if you liked it, and I'll see you hopefully next time. Bye.